Assalamu alaikum. Viewers, our today's topic is gearbox. A winch machine gearbox which is very small in size. By this gearbox, winch machineries will run. You are watching this gearbox which is fully open and its repairing work is running. Actually, its main shaft, this is the main shaft in the middle. This main shaft is connected with an engine. This engine is running this main shaft. Suddenly, this main shaft key and key grooves fully damaged by heavy pressure. Then its repair work is essential. After machining and making key groove, reinstallation is going on. This is drive and shaft. This drive and shaft outside bearing, bush bearing and inside bearing. This drive and shaft is moving by main shaft. There is 3 pinion, main shaft pinion moving this another 2 drive and shaft, and this another 2 drive and shaft moving 2 hydraulic pump. This hydraulic pump will pressurize or pumping hydraulic oil and creating hydraulic pressure. By this hydraulic pressure, winch and wind machineries will run. Outside flanges are tightening. This is coupling with main engine. Need this coupling alignment and its alignment checking is running. Without misalignment, if we run this engine, the shaft key also again damaged. Previously, this gearbox was an alignment. For this reason, it's happened a big crack. After fitting, its outside cover will make position. Its ratio 1.022, which is similar. It is a gearbox from Hangzhou, which is Chinese company. Now we will fit its outside covering. After complete its outside covering, then hydraulic pump will set up and another outfitting will fit. Need proper positioning. And sincerely we fit it and make proper sealing. So guys, this is all. Thanks for watching.